chilling all night, and we're doing the good things every day. This is my new. What the fuck are you doing, bro?
Come check out my new toy.
What is that, bro?
Come check this out, dude. 50 cal, straight from Israel.
What is that, man? What do you have here, bro?
This,
what kind of treat do you have for us
50 cal,
today, man?
bro. Yo, come check out my new gun range. Let's go to the gun
range. Wanna go see the? You got a gun range?
Yeah.
You got a gun range?
Yeah, dude. Here, let me show you. Let's go. Get low. You don't want anyone to see you.
Isn't this like kind of? Isn't this like unsafe? Shit, bro. What are you doing, man? Get that fucking shit away, bro. There's like it's fucking like it's like 3 o'clock right now, man. There's kids walking home from school and shit, bro. What you? Jesus, dude, stop fighting that shit, bro. Did you just hit that guy over there?
Whoa, is that a fucking cop?
That's a fucking cop over there, man. I'm not taking responsibility for your fucking idiot actions, dog. What the fuck are you doing over there, man? Jesus Christ.
What, you think I don't know how to use this thing?
No, I
What do you think I'm gonna do, huh?
how to use that, man, but you gotta be careful.
That, huh?
You gotta be careful putting that,
What do you think I'm gonna do, huh?
Do you even have a license for that? Is that automatic, bro? Yeah, there you go, man. Don't
Like that, dude.
It's like
I'll be like
Everybody going to this cocaine castle. You'll probably see your reverend at the